Welcome to Changfied YouTube channel, your trusted source for latest updates across South Sudan and beyond. Before we start with this report, please help the channel by subscribing, turn on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video, you can be notified. Let's start with lawyer beaten inside police station. Today, first report takes us to Juba, where a South Sudanese lawyer, advocate Josephine Adedeng, say she was physically attacked inside a police station while working on a sensitive forced marriage case involving a teenager girl. According to advocate Josephine, she was at the Northern Division Police Station on Wednesday morning to answer a complaint filed against her. The complaint came from people connected to General Maniembol Malek, a former governor of Warab State. This story goes back to 2022, when a young girl, only 14 at the time, fled her home and ran to the lawyer office. She said her father wanted to force her into marriage in Tony East, but she wanted to stay in school. This led to a major legal case. The father was arrested. A meeting was held at the police station. Her uncle, including Gerald Maniem and MP Jogdut Malek, attended. The agreement was made: no marriage, and the girl would continue school until at least age 25. The lawyer became her guardian. For 2 years, the girl continued her studies and reached secondary school. But by 2025, everything changed again. The girl reported new pressure from her family to marry. She said there were now 2 suitors. A student in Cairo offering 141 cows and a car. This man was chosen by her father. Second, a businessman in Juba offering 150 cows and a car, supported by her uncles. The lawyer say the girl still wanted to continue her education. In November 2025, things became dangerous. The lawyer said General Maniem, MP Jok, and other relatives stormed the girl's boarding school, Darling Wisdom Secondary School, trying to take her away for marriage. The student helped the girl escape to a nearby police station, but the men allegedly followed and took her from police custody by force. She later escaped again and ran to the Ministry of Gender and Social Welfare. The attack happened when the lawyer went to respond to accusation that she kidnapped the girl. She explained that the girl was under official protection, but after giving her a statement, she said a group of about 8 men waited at the gate. She claimed Gerald Maniem instructed them to beat her inside the police station, and they punched her in front of officers. She has opened a new case and sought medical treatment. An officer at Mona police station, Captain Ngorma Jok, confirmed that the girl had come to the station earlier complaining about the marriage pressure, but he said they advised the family to settle the issue since no case had been filed at that station. South Sudan Constitution guarantees the right to freely choose a marriage partner, but in many communities, pressure for early marriage continues, especially when cattle wealth is involved. Despite the attack, advocate Josephine say she will not give up. According to her, the girl told her, "I don't want to marry the man chosen by my family. I want to finish my education." This story continued to develop. Let's move on to our second topic story. MSF held facility it in Airstrike. Our second major story today comes from Jonglei State. A health facility run by Medicine Sans Frontier (MSF) in Peri was damaged during an airstrike on the morning of December 3rd, 2025 in Jonglei State by the SSPDF helicopters. After the airstrike, MSF team inspected the hospital area and discovered bullets inside the facility, showing that the building was hit directly. The attack happened when a helicopter gunship conducted airstrike in the area. After the helicopter left, MSF staff checked the building and confirmed the damage. Not only Peri alone, MSF also confirmed additional airstrike in Lankan, around 60 kilometers away, where they also operate a major hospital within that area. Thankfully, that facility did not suffer direct damage. MSF say all staff members are safe and there were no reported deaths or injuries among the community, but the organization warned that the repeated attack on health center are becoming dangerous pattern. MSF speak out. Emerson Gono, MSF deputy head of mission in South Sudan, released a statement saying, "This recent airstrike show a very worrying trend. Health centers are repeatedly coming under attack while they are supposed to be protected." He called for immediate protection of medical building, medical workers, patients, and all civilians would depend on these facilities. Why this is serious? MSF is the only healthcare provider in Peri. The Lankan Hospital is the only advanced healthcare facility providing life-saving care in the area. In a region suffering from conflict, disease, outbreak, and displacement, losing even one health center can put thousands of lives at risk. MSF revealed that in 2025 alone, Orphanage Hospital closed after attack. Ulang Hospital closed. Health services in Jonglei, Apanal, and Central Equatoria were also suspended. This creates a humanitarian gap that is getting wider as international funding drops and the national health system continues to struggle. MSF continued to call for protection of medical services, and civilians would depend on them. Let's move on to our third topic story. SPLM prepare for 2026 elections. We now move to politics. The SPLM party say it is fully preparing for the upcoming December 2026 general election, which are expected to mark the end of South Sudan's long transitional period. SPLM Secretary General Dr. Akol Paul Kordit made the announcement after a meeting attended by Deputy Chairperson, senior SPLM officials, Secretariat members. They discussed peace implementation, party organization, and challenges facing the SPLM as the 2026 election approach. Dr. Akol said the party is following the instruction of Chairman President Salva Kiir Mayardit, who directed SPLM structure across the country to prepare seriously for the election, which are part of the extended peace roadmap. He said the movement must remain strong, united, and faithful to the principle of the liberation struggle. He stated that we want to assure our members that the SPLM is moving forward. As our chairman said, in 2005, the SPLM will not go in reverse. The party leadership emphasized strengthening SPLM structures, training and mobilizing party cadres, peace-building effort, preparing for competitive elections, preserving the identity of the movement. The 2026 election are expected to be the first national election since independence. Many citizens hope they will bring political stability, but others fear challenge remain, including delay in implementing the security arrangement, economic hardship in the country, low trust institution, question about readiness. But for now, SPLM say it is committed and preparing. Let's take a look at what Adut did. Adut Kir support 200 children at orphanage. This is our final story. Today is humanitarian. Adut Kir Mayadit, South Sudan senior presidential envoy on special program, has donated food and bedding to 200 children living in Giada Orphanage in Juba. What was donated? A delegation led by Albino Queth delivered 200 bags of assorted food, 60 bed, 100 mattresses, and 100 bedsheets. This is the second time this year that Adut office has supported the orphanage. Who are the children? According to Queth, many of the children are orphanage of fallen soldiers, children from poor families, children with no financial support. He say Adut is committed to supporting vulnerable groups, especially families connected to freedom fighters. The delegation say Adut Kir is not only giving food and bedding, but working to support education, nutrition, health, future program. Her office also promised to keep close contact with the orphanage to respond to new needs. Why this matter? South Sudan has thousands of orphans due to years of conflict, displacement, and economic struggle. Many relied on charity, churches, and community support. Efforts like this have improved their daily living condition. And this brings us to the end of today's report. We cover a lawyer attack inside a police station while defending a girl resisting forced marriage. Second, we talk about an MSF LZ facility hit during an airstrike in Jonglei. Third, we talk about SPLM reaffirming readiness for the 2026 election. Fourth, humanitarian support delivered to 200 children at Giada Orphanage. Male biya Kamal Gwaseme ka Changfied YouTube channel. Gwasme gorjen wode kon rajme de kon nyakel. Kenyam mi jiram jirit Gwaseme gorjen wojin bi Changfied YouTube channel bi support goro jin me kan subscribe ke bi notification bell bi jetwan ko mi temi ci bare Gwasme chamala shubi keje. Bana leer nyam bana jeling ka jen leer ling kono me Gwaseme te ke report mi shanong gora no der ling ba ke der de palping ke lieng de bana jeling kel rei wiki Juba chalare no te ke lawyer mi chapiam piam ka je ka police station a je report nyam bana nyakel rei wiki Juba chalare ne South Sudanese lawyer kenetin konte la lugla jaloka advocate Josephen Azedeng chale Josephen Azedeng ajen chaje piam ka police station gwad mi lede tin winami ka mi lede mo wa kezen lede ka kwide ki ka dan lede kwide kwi nyam ton mi wa kap ka bom ki goru jeno de je kwen ka bom ci Josephine chala de wonene jenegan Takanosan Division Police Station ka changa doka jok karunwa gwas mi mo ye wen winami lo we case take a case mo gar pinko take nyami mo mi wa kwen ka bom ki kap ka jeno je kwen ka bom la forced marriage. One complaint mo wa be ka General Maniam Bol Malek, a former governor of Arab State. Dia waje Ramadana dong lan mission money. Wajen ci complaint ci ben. You know. Alo cha jogono jin ci nyame ci jakep ko bom ko dongur jeno chaja de kwen. Wajen wadio je case mi dit ka kwi ganten content kwen ke ngot ka kwe wajen ke 2022 te ga nyamtol mi te grun dangwel ngwan ka rodien jen choro da bar dore chuo ka lawyer office nyam jaram dan la gwanduong ni ke queen and kon dong chang ka je min nyam mo me kwen ka bom ka chiwo ka je ba je lok no no chi nyam chiwo ka je che nyam jogo no chi gware ben wena me jogo no ba kwen ka bom kan chan no go ba kwen no to ko dor chal ke tonyis jene jen do badan na jene ka je janan goro de dul goro de jagor an gwaza mo chi nyam cho de je che we ka police station ka cha je report ka chwa gwan nyam chwa je yenen wena mo ko jene ka bi nyaada ka bom chu nawe gwada danan lok luk tin chwa luk chwa je luka police station tin herga tin nyal wona ka jen wul chal ka jaral manim jen KMP jog dut malik uda me chal jaral manim dio je kona kwer en gwada mo chuna green wona ne cha nyamo cha je bukwen ba je kwen ni me che chup kuru ni jandang ru diech me kana 25 years kana ka chup cha je bukwen kan wena mo mi chalu cha je lu cha je nyam me mla lawyer ya ya go okay kan nyam man bia de kel wa yo nyali kan chu gadul gorka chu ngoda lo gore lo telarek na mo to ke 2022 antama ke 2025 cha jojo gwanu chi chema ni chi kan case mi chana me chen nyog me lep kana akana gorka no ba nyam ba je kwen nyam chi kana gorlo ba je kwen do badana kwen keneja wa ken cha ko fer te yurun wan kana kwa wan cha ka jugo no binne nyarun mne kwen te ne dangro te chi la te la suitor ke de control ne kon chi purpose no bi ken nyam bi kana kwen nyam to mene china benen go ba nyam ba je bugor ku kana pressure ram ke la mo wa men goro de nyam de kwen ram mo te ka Cairo te ka Egypt jen che chi man nyam che jugo no baye mo ko hokti chup ko kor jen wani de kel ka turbil 141 cows ka turbil kel te biya kan ba nyadun ba kwen ka an amo aram kel metene ka Cairo ram radien ram raw de business man we ki Juba yala do ba nyadun ba kwen ko to koru di jandang dich ka turbil an wuda me mete ko okto ko jandang di ka turbil wa jen kwa support den her nyamolo ano dong de nyama de ner nyama gorjeno ba nyanyiman ke nyadaman ba je dil kwen menyi to gene ci lo yere mo ci la de wonena gorjeno de nyama de dul gor de rejo gor ko nyala mo no be dul gor be gor cha nyal cha de kep ko bom ci la do ke jen payol kel payo ron kin dawo jandang ro de dich wa cha le yer the lawyer said ki kwera mo man la kwelok man ci nyama ci kano goreje wa ci wudu ci ala general mamim ramdana la uncle nyamo wa ki ken relative ne ke KMP jok ne ko ken wa ci are ala ka ci kano godana gor nyama tindul gor mi ci ala darling wisdom secondary school wa ju kana no be kan nyam gana kap ko bom ko ba jokwen wa ngwad ci nyal ci roda bar ni nyaro da bar ci roda bar ka police station ngwad mo ne mi ci police station no shakil mchina mo chajo ngach ka kore mi shiga roi kene ti shi man nyama ajo ke kana nyadu na wi aro je chenga do magwa to aje force wi aro je la roching chu nyal chu nang an wen mi nyaro do bar ka shi mane mi nyal je nyori nga ka police station cha nyam cha yode ka shi man loben ti nyam chore o lat ka do so from there cha ke cha je fal yen ku nyam cha do nyame cha nyara cha je kwal ko cha nyal che do bar wa cha nyam che je kidnapped so when mo gwazan te police station wali ko jarar ne chare realeka akane ti jagara mu chale jaral manim so jen do bdan to so mu chirgana me ngai konanu anu ba nyal ba je force la force meri ni chiang yerte gat ka ki yerte nya so ken mu chiname rami mo mela different lawyer mu logo ba nyal ba je kwen ngude kwe ke gwan gat ka ki gwan nyale nyaada ba je dil kwen ka bom ko shalar chicken dear ka condition ton kon ba face nyama to do mo so mu chiname antama cha ke ja nyogo mele ko je ngai kono condition de rewi ka South Sudan mi nyame mo me cha chi man cha ko fer ka yutung wan la ja gurno nyama ba je kwena kene to jenen yen me nyama ram nyam je ben kor jen wan de kel ka yang mete ka turbil ram rawde jenate ka kor jendang di ka turbil allo they cannot resist that jen guyene me kokene gwar so no mo chi chongbo dumula ran condition na te nyaate den der gwa mi nyaadu mi chelar no gwar please jangne ka gor so ne me wangude nyam dana la different lawyer wajatin che be gep up ko jane gor jeno nyam dul gor da beje kontu What chela rajan wo baja kwen baja dil kwen. But cheke chaja file already ko chaja pim. Chaja pim shi mane nyal chaja no jin wo tedu jo nyada. Wana ka ler do dien me beja mi check. La duel MSF elzi facility re which and national ke piri ka jongle state. Medicine Sans Frontier dual wal jala do charge book ke charge bar ka day to dit kume SSPDF helicopter dana shibok achi jan gwaz makoro da bo ka piri wachi ka bok bon mandar shal ke lankan kan gwada ti chala ro china chlo den je galong ka do bana shi kume ke yadit ko targani elzi facility medan je kon bok dor shal ka me ulang jabong nyoka fangak antame chaboka dor shalka mo piri kana lankan wonaka central equatoria apnal ke jongle ke liwa godati cha MSF charge target taken and wona me cha gwalung and ba building medical building ba ka target ke ba medical workers ba ka target many patient ke ne kono dol wal ken me she chon taken as no ne me chero da lot ke jer 125 me genetic condition midi long ko la ne target re win dialen continuing namo Michigan lat ashana we kamen chalat ka kui election ke ku inquiry kuma kirma yadi da kani charan realika ka kui inquiry kani chura realika ka jan ronkin dangro bakal do badana ba ku inquiry ba jalat ke je SPLM Secretary General Dr. Cole Paul Cordit yala do ne sha announcement jalat yala do ne jana chane direct kirma yadi da no real rodunuka ka Queen national election ki Queen inquiry man balat ka jarwon kin dangro jandangro bakel anono chela da wala da campaign ka jogne dial ko na real road ne ka we are ready ban ngai konen wote ga dum wana kar yale ka to ngod gam kelong bad ko ma SPLM pinken yadi kan charan real ka but bonten ko ken ngode tel mutok tel mi chorna real ka ten nyok te ka ngwana kar yale ka bon woni kana mat de ni kan kana lat wona ko bad voter ki population census ki kwen ping na ngode tel mi chan laten so do badien the election de jelat ki jamo so mi chena me ngode na mom ten leran ngwanin gwazma de la dunga dut sel ke mi yadit a wacha gat chane especially the content la te chi struggle ka kui kur ki kui ko ba so ran ba jik wa jen chegal wa ka kwak met chegal wa ke bed sheet shit ka malaya ni je nyom lo ka bok patani je ga lok ka tidial ko de kan toy ka wona ka matabani ka je lok bone ka kwan namo ajo machalat wajen ponde lo ga bone ka kwidul gorian ken tungwan ko ken wona dul wal tidial ti wala de ka kanitin content la gare ni ki gat chane rewi ke juba jo me jana na gode nyo kon ken ban je le radien bete mal bye bye